Happy morning children, welcome back to Sheba Group online class. Children, keep your stationery things ready because we are going to write our maths classwork today. Come on children, let's move to our class. Children, already we have written our maths classwork. Again I am insisting children, take a note which has 288 pages maths ruled. After taking a note, take a fresh page children. With your scale and pencil, draw 2 lines to write the lesson name. Students, take your blue stick pen, write the date for the classwork children, 18/9, and then the lesson name where we have left a space to write the lesson name. You have to write it there. Lesson name is numbers. Already we wrote the same lesson but different exercise. Today also we are going to move on another exercise in the same lesson. After writing the lesson name boldly, you have to leave one line. After leaving a line, write the heading for the sums we are going to write. Write the missing numbers. Book page number 33. Give a finger gap and write children. Don't scribble. Write the missing numbers. Book page number 33. First everyone, write the serial number in the margin and write thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Leave one line children. After leaving a line, copy the numbers but don't copy the numbers in the boxes because it is the missing numbers. They have given you the answer. We are going to find the answer for this missing thing. Clear children? So first we have to add from the ones place value. The number is 3 and 7. Don't look after this number children. 3 and 7. The answer is 4. Here you have to guess you something children. The answer should be 4 or 14. So here there is no possibility of getting 4. So we have to get 14. When we add these two numbers 3 plus 7 we get 10. So for 14 we have to add 4 more numbers, right? After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14, if it is 14 we can borrow a number to year 1 and write the 4 year, isn't it? So the 4 should be the answer in the boxes. Clear children? So draw this box using a pencil and write the number as 4. Now in tens place value 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 3 11. We have to get the answer 7 or 17. 7 is not possible, so we have to get the answer 17. For 17 we need how much? After 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many fingers children? 6. So write the number 6, but we have to do the carrying number here. For 17, 7 year, 1 year. Clear children? And now we are in 100 place value. Add it children. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 9, 13. So 3 here we have to write the carrying number 1 in the 1000 place value. Now add it children. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. But we have to get the answer 8. So after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers children? Is 4. So you have to write the 4 here. So use a pencil and a scale to draw these lines children. Assume it properly and write children. Children, now we are going to proceed the second sum. You can write the second Roman number here, serial number here, and then the numbers here. Clear? Second serial number here and the second sum here. First sum you can write here, serial number here, first sum here, second serial number here and the sum here. Children, now we are going to do the same sum, like that first sum. So first you have to write the thousands, hundred, tens, ones using your stick pen. After writing, leave one line. Copy the numbers but don't copy the numbers from the boxes because we are going to find the missing numbers, and copy the answer also. Now let us proceed with the ones place value children. Here they have given 4 plus 1, 5. So we want the answer 6. So how many numbers when we add we get 6 children? Yes, when we add 5 to the number 1 we get 6. So write the number 1 in the box. Next move on to tens place value. Here they have 7 plus 4, 11. 11 we have to get the answer 7. 7 is not possible. So we can have a 7 or 17. So for 17 we need 6 more. Just subtract the number from 11, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many fingers, children? 6. So write the number 6 here and the carrying number to the hundreds place value. Now add from the carrying number 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 7, 17. We have to get the answer 12 or 2 is not possible. 12 or 22. So for 22 we have to count it. After 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. How many fingers? Is 5. So you have to write the number 5 and the carrying 2 to the 1000 place value. Now add it, children. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. We have to get the answer 9. So subtract 9 minus 7. We get 2. So the answer in this box is 2. Now children, use the ruler and a pencil to draw this line, and after finishing this first thing you can draw a line with your sharp pencil and scale. Children, now we are going to move on to the next exercise. 2.7 book page number 34. Take a fresh page, children. Write the heading exercise 2.7 book page number 34. Give sufficient space and write. After writing the exercise name and number, you can leave a line, write the heading, add the following numbers. So serial number 1, add the following numbers. Leave one line, copy the questions properly, children. Write alphabet letter A in the margin. 216, 3422, 4019, 497. So we are going to add these sums by arranging in a vertical order, and then we are going to add it. Clear, children? After writing the question, leave one line, write the place values, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. After writing, leave one line, children. For writing a carrying numbers, leave one line. Now we are going to arrange it in a vertical order. The first number is 216. 216. So where we have to start, children? 2 in a 100 place we have to start 216. Next 3422. 3422. So where we have to start? From 1000 place value 3422. Next followed by 4019. 4019. Again we have to start from the 1000 place value 4019. And the last number is 497. 497. So we have to start from the 100 place value 497. After writing these numbers in a vertical order, you may now put the symbol, children. What symbol is this? Add. So what the symbol we have to do? Plus sign. After doing this, leave one line, take your pencil and scale, draw two lines. In this space provided, we are going to write the answer. Come on, children, let me add the numbers. So from the ones place value, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 7, 24. So 24, we can write the 4 here, 2 as carrying. So now add from the carrying number, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 9, 15. Again we are writing the 15 as 5 here, 1 as carrying. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 0, 7, 7 plus 4, 11. So write the 11 here by writing 1 here and 1 as carrying. In the 1000 place value, 1 plus 3, children, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. Now we get the answer. Write with the answer in a blue stick pen, children. Students, take a fresh page. We are going to write the B sum. Write the B serial number in the margin. Copy the numbers properly, children. Let me read it for you. 1002, 2347, 1976, 2005, 2007. Children, in maths you have to copy the numbers properly, or else the whole sum will get the wrong answer. So be aware of it, children. After writing the question, leave one line. We have to mention the place values now. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. After writing this, leave one line for writing our carry-in numbers. Then copy the numbers properly. We start from 1002. So we have to start from the 1000 place value. 1002. Next followed by 2347. We are going to arrange these number in a vertical order and then going to add. And the third number set of number is 1976. 2005. And the last sequence number is 2007. What we are going to do? We are going to add. So write the plus sign here. After copying these number, leave one line. Take your pencil, sharpen it and draw two lines with your scale. Now we are going to do the addition facts. From the ones, 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 7, 27. So we can't write the 27 as it is here, 7 here and 2 as carrying. Now add this. 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 0, 13, 13 plus 0, 13. So we can't write 13 as it is. So we are writing 3 here and 1 as carrying. From the carrying number we have to add, children. 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 0, 13, 13 plus 0, again 13. So 3 here and 1 as carrying. Now add this, children. Come on along with me. Add it. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. Now we get the answer. Right answer, and after completing this, you may now draw a line with your scale and pencil. Children, now we are going to do the second sum. Add the total amount of the following 4 piggy banks. The boy is having 4 piggy banks and each bank is having some amount. So first piggy bank has rupees 978. Second piggy bank has rupees 3796. Third piggy bank has rupees 2374 and the fourth piggy bank has rupees 1957. Fourth piggy bank has rupees 1957. Children, as I told you earlier, the 4 piggy banks have some amount. Now we are going to arrange that in a vertical order and going to add the rupees. So first write the serial number 2 in the margin. Add the total amount of the following 4 piggy banks. After writing this, leave one line. Copy the numbers along with the rupees symbol, children. Comma is a must one. After writing this, leave one line. Write the place values. What are the place values? Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. After writing this, leave one line, children. We have to do this sum in a fresh page. Clear, children? Fresh page you have to take and write. After writing the thousands, hundreds, tens and ones place value, leave one line for writing the carrying numbers. Now write the numbers in a vertical order, children. First one is 978. 978. Followed by 3796. So write it neatly, children. Give sufficient finger gap and write. And the third one is 2374. and then 1957 we are going to add. So write the plus sign here. After writing, leave one line, take your pencil and scale and draw these two lines. After drawing this, take your blue stick pen, children. Now we are going to add from the ones place value. From the ones, come on children, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 18 plus 7, 25. We can't write 25 as it is here. So we are writing 5 here and 2 as carrying. Now add the tens place value. 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 7, 25, 25 plus 5, 30. So we can't write 30 as it is. So 0 here and 3 as carrying. Now add this. 3 plus 9, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 3 children, 22, 22 plus 9, 31. So again we can't write 31 as it is. So 1 here and 3 as carrying. Now add it children. I need your answer. I wait for a second. Yes, you are right. What is the answer? Yes, it is 9. How? Yes, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1. Yes, you are right. It is 9. You have to mention the rupees here children because they ask you the question in rupees format. So you have to write the rupees and then mention the answer. After completing this sum in a fresh page, you can now draw a line. Children, now we are going to do the book exercise, book page number 34. If you have a book, please take your book for your kind reference children. So we have done the first and second serial number. Now we are going to do the third sum in the book itself. Third, the sum of 1215 plus 2367 plus 1673 plus 3120. They are asking for the answer. So children, when we add, what answer we get children? We get 8375. You have to do the rough work in your book itself children. Don't forget it. We get the answer 8375. Now fourth sum, 2076 plus 276 plus 2974 plus 1751. What will be the answer? We have done a rough work here. The answer is 7077. So where it is? It is in the B option. We can tick the answer 7077. Children, the fifth sum. What is the sum of 5 hundreds and 15 tens? Sum of 500. Sum means add. 500s and 15 tens. So 15 tens now 115 mean. So when we add, what will be the answer? 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So we get the answer 650 in the option A. We can tick that. Sixth sum, the sum of the greatest 3-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number is what they are asking. So sum of greatest 3-digit number. So what is the greatest 3-digit number children? It is 999. And the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. So they are asking sum. What you have to do? We have to add. So 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. And then 1 here. So which option we have to tick? Yes, you are right. It is A option, 1999. Now the seventh sum, 9999 plus 1 gives what? So what is the answer? Guess it. Yes, I have done your rough work here, but you have to tell me. Yes, I am waiting for your answer. Yes, you are right. It is 10,000. So when we add 9999 with the 1, we get 10,000. Where it is option? Yes, it is in A. Just tick the answers. Children, now we are going to write the word problems, children. So there are few conditions for writing word problems. Whenever we are writing word problems, each word problem should contain one page. ஒரு பேஜில் ஒரு word problem தான் இருக்கணும். And you can continue writing the problem like this. You can continue writing. After writing the question, you may now write the statement this side and the numbers here. Again insisting, write the statement this side till equal to this side and the numbers here, children. So it will look your note neat and proper. Children, now we are going to do the word problem sums. As I told you earlier, the rules of word problems. Now write the word problem in a fresh page. Write the serial number in the margin. Now I am going to read this question for you and you may write it continually, children. Come on, observe it. In a village, the number of males is 4,154 and the number of females is 4,221. Find the total population in the village. So in a village, children, they are having a males. Males na yaru? ஆண்கள். ஆண்கள் வந்து 4,154 இருக்காங்க. Females எவ்வளோ பேர் இருக்காங்க? 4,221. So they are asking the total population of the village. So what we have to do? Total, when they are asking, we have to add. So after writing this question, you have to write the question marks, children. It is very necessary. After writing this, you may now leave a line, write the answer in the margin. I will help you in the statement. So in a village, leave one line, children. Now already I told you where to write the statement and where to write the numbers. Follow that procedure. Number of males, number dot males is equals to 4,154. Continue in the next line. Number of females, number dot females is equals to 4,221. Leave one line, children. What we are going to do? We are going to add. So put the plus sign there. Draw two lines with your pencil and scale and write this statement: total population in the village. If you have a space, you may continue in the same line or else use this bracket to write in the next line. Clear, children? இடம் இருந்தால் நீங்கள் அப்படியே கண்டினியூ பண்ணலாம் or else use this bracket to write in the next line. Now going to add, children. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 1 plus 2, 3, 4 plus 4, 8. So the total population in the village is 8,375. After writing this, you may draw a line with your scale and pencil. Now take a fresh page, children, for writing the 9th sum. Write the serial number 9 in the margin. A refrigerator cost rupees, put the rupee symbol properly, 6,543, and a DVD player cost rupees 3,412. What is the total cost? So ஒரு கடையில் in a shop, refrigerator fridge ஓட cost 6,543. DVD player ஓட விலை costனா விலை 3,412. So they are asking for the total cost. What we have to do? We have to add, and don't forget to write this question mark. After writing the question, you may now leave a line, write the answer in the margin. I help you with the statement. I already told you where to write the statement and the numbers. Yes, follow that instructions, children. A refrigerator cost equal to, you have to mention the rupee symbol. It is very necessary. 6,543. You may leave a line now. DVD player cost, start with a capital letter, don't scribble, write neatly, equal to rupees 3,412. Leave one line, write the plus symbol there, and therefore 3 full stop. This 3 full stop indicates therefore meaning, okay va? Therefore its total cost is equals to rupees. We are going to add 3 plus 2, 5, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 6 plus 3, 9. So the total cost is 9,955. After writing these two word problems, you have to check the spelling, children. You have to check the numbers. It is very necessary. After finishing, you may now draw a line with your sharp pencil and scale. After finishing all these exercise, you have to mention a parent signature. It is a must one. After writing, get your parent signature, children. Don't forget it. And copy all the sums neatly and properly. Don't scribble. Dear children, I hope everyone understand how to write your maths classwork neatly and proper way. So meet you in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.